The ability to spot a trend may be the differentiator that sets your business into a position to be more successful into the future. One of the biggest trends in business today is digital transformation. It's the two forces of technology and people and how they are adapting and becoming more prepared to succeed in an age of rapid technological change that are keeping executives awake and making more and more businesses change their models to make sure they're not only relevant, but successful in a new time. At Futurum Research, we focus extensively on digital transformation, and recently I published a report including the 10 biggest trends in digital transformation for the year 2017. Over the next 10 weeks, I'm going to spend a little bit of time talking about each of these 10 trends right here on YouTube and Facebook Live, and then of course on our Insights blog on Futurum Research. But I wanted to first go through all 10 of these and just give you a little sneak peek into the 10 trends that I'll be talking more about. And then hopefully you will follow me and Futurum Research right here and stick with me as I talk about these 10 trends that are going to be big for any business around the globe. What are those trends? First, adaptability. Companies are going to have to become more ready to change quickly than ever before. 2, there's a growing importance on user experience. We've spent a lot of years and time focusing on products and services, and that will no longer be the pinnacle of any business. 3, innovation has to happen faster. This means more iteration, more small innovation, and in aggregate, this becomes the innovation that you're looking for. 4, embracing a remote workforce. We need to find the best talent no matter where they are on the globe. 5, augmented reality and to some extent virtual reality is going to find its way into every workplace. 6, the age of the API is here. Companies have so many systems, so many technologies, and so many devices that they need to tie together. Not all systems have been built in the past to work together. This is going to start changing even more in 2017. 7, big data analytics, no longer a coffee discussion. This is something every business that is serious about being successful into the future is going to get focused on. 8, Internet of Things. This will become a transparent trend in the next 5 years, but next year, the data and the information and the use of Internet of Things to revolutionize business, customer journey, and employee engagement will become more and more visible in everyday work settings. 9, artificial intelligence, smart machines, cognitive computing, and deep learning will all find their way into the mainstream as things like chatbots and automated machines and robots are a regular stay inside of the enterprise. And then finally, the destruction of silos. Companies that have silos cannot transform at the rate that is required. The rate of change will get faster and faster in the coming years, and by 2020, the rate is going to be so fast that companies who are working in vacuums and silos will find it almost impossible to compete. So stay with me here as I continue to go through each one of these trends over the next 10 weeks. Digital transformation is more than a buzzword. It's a big thing as companies need to find a way to make technology and people come together to bring out the best in the organization. For more information on Futurum, visit our website at www.futurum.xyz. And definitely stay with us here on Facebook and on YouTube as we unveil these 10 trends and so much more soon to